In this video, I'll be talking about multiplication of polynomial. Suppose you are given polynomial of degree n and a polynomial of degree n. And let's say we have the coefficient, or let me just say variable, to be a, and we have the variable of this to be b. Then we have an operation multiplication at the middle. So in this case, whenever you are asked to multiply two polynomials together, it's going to give us another polynomial of the form n plus m. That means we are going to simply add these two powers together. Now, suppose we are given polynomial of function f of x to be equal, you have to be 2s squared plus 5x plus 6, right? Then the next one, we have it to be q of x to be equal 3s squared, right? Then minus 2x plus 1. Suppose you are given these two polynomials and you are asked to find f of x multiplied by q of x. So it's very simple. What you just have to do in this case is to follow the rules. And basically, here, to make it very simple, you can just say we have f of x to multiplying what q of x. You are going to have to be 2s squared, right? Then plus 5x plus 6, then close the bracket, open another bracket. You have it to be 3s squared minus 2x plus 1. So at the middle, you have a multiplication sign. So in this case, you are asked to perform multiplication of these two functions together. So now what you are going to do in this case is that you bring these two, you use it to multiply everything here first. Show that you are going to have it to be 2x, right? 2s squared, then open a bracket, put this inside, 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, right? Then you have a plus a, you are going to put this plus, right? You have 5x, then use to multiply everything here first, 3s squared, right? Then here you are going to have minus 2x plus 1. You close the bracket. Then after that, you have plus 6, then you're going to have positive 6 here, then open a bracket, you're going to have 3s squared minus 2x plus 1. So now, in this case, what we are going to do is that we go ahead and open the bracket with each variable that we have here. Now, what we are going to do is that 2s squared multiplied by 3s squared. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Then s squared multiplied by s squared, that will give us 6x raised to the power of 4. You are going to have to be 6x raised to the power of 4, right? Then after that, you are going to have 2 multiplied by minus 2, that will give us minus 4, right? Then s squared multiplied by x raised to the power 1, that will give us x raised to the power of 3, because here is our n and here is our m, which is 1. So that will be n plus m, which is 2 plus 1, that's 3. Then after that, 2x to the power of 2 plus multiplied by positive 1. So here we go ahead and use this coefficient to multiply this first. We are going to have to be plus 2. Then s raised to the power of 2 multiplied by s raised to the power of 0. That will be what? S raised to the power of 2. Because this one is actually carrying x raised to the power of 0. Then after that, we are going to have plus here, since this sign is positive. Then 5 multiplied by 3, that should give us 15. Right? Then x multiplied by x squared, that should give us what? S raised to the power of what? Of 3. Then after that, 5 multiplied by minus 2, that should give us minus 10. Right? X multiplied by x, that will be what? S squared. Then 5 multiplied by 1, that's what? Plus 5. Then we are going to have x. Then after that, we go ahead and do the same thing for plus 6. Here we are going to have to what? Plus 6 multiplied by 3, that should give us 18. Then you are going to have to what? 18s squared. Then here 6 multiplied by minus 2, that goes minus 12x, right? Then plus 6 multiplied by 1, that's actually 6. Then what we are going to do here basically is that we go ahead and simplify. Going ahead and simplify this, we are going to have it to be here. First thing, we first calculate all the power of x that are the same. So here we are going to have to be 6x raised to the power 4 being the highest power here. Then after that, we are going to go ahead and we have minus 4x raised to the power of 3. Then here you have what? Plus 15x raised to the power of 3. Right? Then after that, what other thing do we have? That's all about x raised to the power of 3. Then the next one is that plus 2s raised to the power of 2. Then here we are going to have to what? Minus 10x raised to the power of 2. Then after that, we are going to have plus 18x raised to the power of 2. Then I think that's all. Then here we have what? we have plus 5. That's plus 5x. Then another one we have what? Minus 12x. Then after that, what other thing do we have? I think we have plus 6. Right? So once again, we go ahead and what? And simplify this further. Simplifying this further, we're going to have to be 6x raised to the power of 4. Then here minus 4x plus 15. That's minus 4 plus 15. That should give us plus 11 x is power of what? Of 3. Then after that, plus 2 minus 10. That should give us minus 8x squared. Here we are going to have plus 18s squared. Right? Then after that, you have what? 5 minus 12. That should give us plus 5x minus 12x. That's actually minus 7x. Then plus 6. So let's go ahead and simplify further, since we have two power of x here that are the same. So here, simplifying this further, we're going to have to be 6x raised to the power of 4, right? Then plus 11x raised to the power of 3. Then here we're going to have to be what? Minus 8x squared plus 18x squared. That should give us 10 plus 10x squared, right? Then here we're going to have to be what? Minus 7x plus 6, right? So whenever we perform an arithmetic operation on two functions of a polynomial, we are going to have another polynomial. Then let's simply call this our c of x. Exactly. So that's it under multiplication of polynomial. So go ahead and perform this. Let's say you are given function f of x now. Okay, all right, you have to be function f of x to be this, and let me just say, let's say you are asked to find 2f of x, right? Then multiply by q of x. Go ahead and do this. And make sure you drop your answer in the comment section below. I'll be there to reply. So if you want me to solve more problems on this, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.